Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you solve your auto rotate problem in your Xiaomi phone guys. You want to solve guys, you can see guys your phone screen is like that and guys your YouTube is rotate. So guys, how can you solve this problem in your Xiaomi phone guys? So before starting video fans, I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. As you can see guys, automatic phone is rotate. So first of all, guys, what will you have to do? What will you have to do to solve this problem, guys? Open your phone setting, friends. Second, guys, scroll and guys you can see your display setting. So guys tap here. Third, guys, scroll it again and guys you can see your auto rotate screen. So guys we will tap here where we will off it and guys now you can see guys when you will use your YouTube and guys any another app. So guys, your phone will not rotate, guys. You can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve auto rotate problem in your Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will return guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.